In this video, we will discuss what is a differential equation. An equation involving one or more dependent variables and its derivatives with respect to one or more independent variables. So we can say that a differential equation can have more than one dependent variables and more than one independent variables. In simple words, we can say that a differential equation is an equation that contains at least one derivative. In this way, a differential equation is a relation between dependent variable and its derivatives. In general form, a differential equation can be written as f of xy dy by dx d square y by dx square up to so on equal to 0. Here x is independent variable and y is dependent variable. So a differential equation is a relation between independent variable and dependent variable and rate of change of dependent variable. Few examples of differential equations are d cube y by dx cube plus 4 d square y by dx square minus 5 dy by dx plus 3y equal to cos x. X square dy plus y square dx is equal to 0. d cube u by dx cube plus du by dx d square u by dx square plus ux cube plus 3u equal to 0. There are infinitely many differential equations, but here we have discussed just 3 of them. And we can clearly see that in each one of them derivatives are involved.